Now on Driven, California dreaming on a winter's day as we hitch a ride on a Corvette Summer.
I'm the navigator here, folks. They're heading up. Where are we going?
And then we test skills and wills behind the wheel and have the most fun you can have indoors with a helmet on. Plus, we make history as we look for Arizona's past on a great American drive. So buckle up. Driven is straight ahead. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Time to head off to the West Coast, where they say they keep it rocking.
Southern California is known for cars. It is car mecca for many. And when I said, if I'm going to Southern California, if I'm going to be in San Diego, I need a car that has some get up and go. So they got me the Go car. And I love it. Listen to this engine. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The Go car may not inspire Dr. Dre or the Beach Boys to drop a new track.
Hey, how you doing?
But the GPS guided tour and this talking car does show you the way, in a fun way.
We are now in Little Italy's warehouse area.
Driving in a yellow shoe through Little Italy. And you know what? It's awesome. People dig this car. Listen to it. Oh yeah! How much rubber do you think I could lay out on this car, huh? You want a piece of me? You want? Come on, let's go. Yeah!
Maybe it's not the wild, wild West Coast, but the Go car is fun, fun, fun. Even if it's not the California car we were all dreaming about.
I was thinking of something more like a Corvette. Let's go find a Corvette.
If the nicknames are true, then you can find America's true sports car hanging out in America's finest city with the oldest continuously active Corvette club in existence, the Corvette Owners Club of San Diego. Since 1956, they've been gathering for events like this every month.
And say you're lost, and we'll say, yep, you're lost.
Today, it's a road rally to Barrett Junction in the backcountry of San Diego.
The purpose of this rally is to have fun.
I like fun,
You ready to win this road race?
so I'll be joining club member William Belt for this run away from winter to my own Corvette Summer. Almost 50 Corvettes will be traveling the 50 miles.
See a little bit of San Diego that a lot of us don't see normally up in the mountains.
We take them somewhere where they can actually enjoy driving the car. Some turns and corners and things that Corvettes do better than other cars.
There we go. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mr. Chevrolet. Yes.
And you have to find the right road that's not too crowded, that allows you to, sort of experience what the car can do.
What this car can do for these Corvette connoisseurs is make a trip an adventure. What is it about the Corvette?
So once the Corvette's in your blood, it's always in your blood.
Well, the look is first thing, of course. They're a great looking car. They do handle quite well, and they go pretty fast. So, I mean, those three things right there add up to having a lot of fun.
The fun continued as the rally ended at Barrett Junction Cafe, home of the world-famous fish fry. The food is road trip worthy, even if you're driving a 1972 Gremlin. And the cafe is worth spending some quality time off the road, even if you drive a Corvette.
The Dead Ass Last Award!
This place is a perfect gathering spot for this very social group that may have Corvettes in common,
Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
but also share the enjoyment of having fun. The Corvette Club owners of San Diego also share a drive to help out in their community.
We're proud of the fact that we've been a sponsor of the San Diego Center for the Blind for a number of years now.
What I love about this relationship with the Corvette Owners Club of San Diego
is that for our students, probably the most traumatic event that happens with loss of vision is you're not able to drive anymore. And so the Corvette Owners Club, which is a group of wonderful people, appreciate the fact that this is a huge loss. So they put together a Main Street America car show, which not only highlights Corvettes, but all kinds of cars.
You know, our car show is about 350 cars.
There's everything from Model Ts to lowriders.
It's just one big giant car show with a lot of Corvettes and other cars.
Typically held in the month of July, and through this event every year, they raise money so that the 105,000 people who are facing vision loss in San Diego County can learn mobility skills.
So they teach them how to survive in a world without eyes. And it's their way of getting money because they get no federal funding and no state funding.
There is no government funding that is available, and it's not covered under your medical insurance. So without support from the community, we would not be able to provide these services.
We've been contributing anywhere from $10,000 to $14,000 a year to the San Diego Center for the Blind as a result.
I think over our relationship over the past 15 years, they've raised about $250,000 to help the blind in San Diego County.
This is more than a car club. It's a San Diego institution, an institution that is driven.
Their dedication is beyond belief. They put so much time and effort into this event.
What hasn't this group done?
If you name it, we've probably done it.
Go-karting? I've heard rumors.
K1 Speed, which is karts, allows us to get out there, be competitive, race, and have some fun. And not worry about damaging, your car.
Up next, the boys of our Corvette summer bring their drive inside for the most fun you can have with a helmet on.